The FIREBAT T6A-X emerges as a formidable contender, boasting an impressive array of specifications and features designed to elevate the gaming experience to unprecedented levels. Available on Aliexpress, this gaming powerhouse combines cutting-edge hardware with advanced functionalities to deliver unparalleled performance and immersive gameplay. Let's delve into the product configuration and explore what sets the FIREBAT T6A-X apart from the competition. The FIREBAT T6A-X lies the formidable Intel i9-12900HX processor, renowned for its unparalleled speed and efficiency. With a reference frequency of 2.3 GHz and a maximum turbo frequency of 5.0 GHz, this 16-core, 24-thread processor sets the stage for lightning-fast gaming and multitasking capabilities. Complementing the powerhouse processor is the GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, boasting 140 W of raw graphical power. With support for HDMI 2.1 and an array of advanced features, including ray tracing and DLSS, the RTX 4060 delivers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay, even in the most demanding titles. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the FIREBAT T6A-X 16-inch IPS display, boasting a crisp resolution of 2560x1600 pixels and a 16:10 aspect ratio. With a highly responsive 240Hz refresh rate, every frame is rendered with precision and clarity, delivering a fluid gaming experience devoid of motion blur or stuttering. The FIREBAT T6A-X comes pre-installed with the Windows 11 operating system, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience out of the box. Additionally, the package includes a power adapter, Russian keyboard stickers,